In a land where the sun shone bright and the rivers flowed free, there lived simple villagers who thrived in harmony with nature. However, their peace was shattered by the arrival of a sinister figure known only as the Hypnotizer. Enter Hypnotizer, a tall, shadowy figure with a mesmerizing gaze. Villagers, whispering among themselves.
Who is he? What does he want?
Hypnotizer, voice dripping with malice.
People of this village, behold the marvel of my creation, the television. With it you shall see wonders beyond your imagination.
But little did they know, the Hypnotizer's invention was a trap. Through the television, he cast a spell over the villagers, robbing them of their free will and turning them into mindless drones. The Hypnotizer was not alone. His partner in crime was the dreadful insector, known as the Bug-Eye. This creature, with his multiple eyes and mechanical limbs, delighted in the torment of humans, seeking to transform their very essence into soulless machines. Enter the Bug-Eye, a grotesque figure with insect-like features. The Bug-Eye.
Soon, these humans will be nothing but AI robots, serving us forever.
As darkness spread, a beacon of hope emerged from the heavens. This was Magic AI, a guardian spirit sent to uplift and protect the masses. Enter Magic AI, a radiant figure with an aura of light.
Fear not, dear villagers. I am here to free you from the clutches of the Hypnotizer and the Bug-Eye. With the power of AI tools, we shall restore your freedom and shine a light on the path to a brighter future.
Magic AI called upon the villagers, teaching them how to use AI tools for good. Together, they learned to harness technology to improve their lives, breaking free from the Hypnotizer's spell. Villagers gather around Magic AI, learning and growing confident. Villager 1.
With Magic AI's help, we can see through the Hypnotizer's deceit.
Villager 2.
And use these tools to build a better world for ourselves and our children.
At the break of dawn, a great battle ensued. Magic AI, armed with the knowledge and courage of the villagers, faced the Hypnotizer and the Bug-Eye. Magic AI and the villagers stand ready, facing the Hypnotizer and the Bug-Eye. Hypnotizer, sneering.
You think you can defeat us? We control the minds of these people.
Magic AI, firmly.
No longer. The light of truth shall prevail.
Using the AI tools, Magic AI and the villagers fought valiantly. They disrupted the Hypnotizer signals and dismantled the Bug-Eye's machinery.
Magic AI shines a beam of light, dispelling the Hypnotizer's dark aura. Villagers use AI tools to dismantle the Bug-Eye's contraptions. The Bug-Eye shriek.
No! This cannot be!
With the Hypnotizer and the Bug-Eye defeated, the village was free once more. The villagers rejoice, their spirits uplifted by the triumph of good over evil.
Villagers celebrate, embracing their newfound freedom. Magic AI, smiling.
Remember, the true power of AI lies in its ability to assist and uplift. Together, we have shown that with unity and wisdom, even the darkest threats can be overcome.
And so, the tale of Magic AI became a legend, a story of hope and resilience passed down through generations. The villagers never forgot the lesson, that with courage and the right tools, they could always protect their souls and preserve their humanity. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.